there's this thing going on where people doubt FLAC being actually lossless. They say that like there's this difference. Some sort of audiophile people, they don't believe that FLAC is actually lossless. Well, it is, and I will now demonstrate to you that it indeed is. So I will now play you this clip.
Hello everyone, my name is Abu. Hello everyone, my name is Abu. Hello everyone, my name is Abu.
You saw the stats in the screen. I recorded that audio in Audacity and I exported it to that file. So that's a straight export. And now I will take that file, original, and I will make a FLAC out of it. So the FLAC file, let's just call it that. I'll also play you that, just so that that's.
Hello everyone, my name is Abu. Hello everyone, my name is Abu. Hello everyone, my name is Abu.
You can see that the stats were basically the same, other than the bitrate is of course smaller because it takes less space. That's the data compression doing its thing, saving disk space. So now I will do an interesting thing. See here, if I take the output of the original file and then, well, by the way, I'll also show you the size comparison of these files so that you can see that indeed the FLAC file is smaller. You can see here this file size was down here. You can see the FLAC file indeed has a smaller file size, so it's saving disk space. And now I will do S16LE and I will make a WAV file.raw. So I will take the output of the WAV file, the exact PCM data. So no headers, there's not going to be any file header, it's just data. So the raw PCM audio waveform. So this is the exact PCM waveform as it would be basically pushed out into the speakers as you would hear it. Now of course I cannot play this with any media player because there's no header, they wouldn't know what's in the file. It's just the data, exact PCM data, just one sample after another. So this is the original audio, WAV file.raw, and also we'll do the same with the FLAC file, and I will call that the FLAC file.raw. So now I have two of these outputs, and you saw the commands. This FLAC file.raw is the output from the FLAC file.FLAC. So this is the output, this is the audio you would hear, and this one, the WAV file, is from the original WAV recording. So if there is a difference between this and this, then there is a difference in the audio. If there is no difference, then it's the exact same audio, because this is the actual audio you would hear. This is the PCM data that you hear, the actual audio that gets put into the speakers, so that's the audio you hear. If there's a difference there, then there's a difference in the audio. So now I will demonstrate first you this command sdiff. This thing tells the difference between, well, it tells if there is a difference between files. So first I will show you the original and the FLAC file. Now obviously there is going to be a difference between these two files, because one is the original WAV file and this one is the FLAC file. So there is going to be a difference here because this one is encoded in the FLAC format and this one is in the WAV format. So there is a difference between these two files. So now it will tell me that binary files, this one and this one, they differ. So you can see here they differ. There's a difference. And then I will now compare FLAC file.raw and WAV file.raw, and there's no difference. It returns nothing. When it returns nothing, that means that they are the same. That's the command. Now, if you doubt whether this command is actually telling the truth, well, come on, it's telling the truth. That's the command. It doesn't lie. It's the command. That thing tells you the truth. It tells you if there's the difference. Yes. And because this operating system, the source code is available, you know, you can go somewhere and look up the source code of that command if you don't trust me that the sdiff command is actually doing its purpose. But I can assure you the sdiff is working just fine. So the sdiff, it tells you there is no difference. So you can see there, the output of those raw files is the exact same it's the exact same BCM data. The BCM data that came out of this is the exact same one that comes out of this one. They both produce the same waveform, so therefore they are both lossless. The exact same audio. There's no difference. Any difference you think you may hear is your imagination. There's no actual difference in the audio waveform, it's the same data. So, that's that. Some conclusive evidence, at least, as far as you can see. You can run these commands yourself. Install FFmpeg and run the sdiff command. You can see the data is the same. And it doesn't have to be sdiff, you can use any other command to tell the difference between the files. So yeah, that's that.